How to make templates and how are they useful? MT4 allows you to create custom chart templates to preserve your preferred chart settings. This means you can reuse your favorite chart layout instead of starting from scratch every time. To save your chart settings as a template, first, customize your chart with your desired colors, timeframes, and indicators. Then, right-click on the chart, select Template, and choose Save Template. Give your template a name, such as Trading. To apply a saved template to a new chart, simply right-click on the new chart, go to Template, and select the desired template. Your chart will automatically adopt the settings from the template. You can also access the template menu through the quick access bar at the top of the MT4 platform. It's important to note that templates not only save your chart's appearance but also any indicators you've added. A helpful tip is to create a template named Default. Doing so will automatically apply those settings to all newly opened charts. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos.